I only paid $12,000 for this running and driving scat pack. Here's how I did it. Before I show you how I did it, I first want to show you the car in detail. As you can see, front end is smooth, no damage here. The side is good. If we go inside, you can see it's a nice clean interior. The Daytona seats, clean car for only 12 grand. But now, here's the reason why it's only 12,000. Boom. As y'all can see, this was involved in a rear end accident. And that's how I only paid $12,000 for the car. But now if you think about it, this car will sell for $20,000, right? This is a $20,000 car minimum. So I bought it for 12 after fees and everything. I think it was like $12,600, so $12,600. And then I bought a new trunk, a new rear bumper, and a new reinforcement bar, which still hasn't come in yet. And all in all, after I pay everyone, pay all the fees, pay the body guy, I should be done with this car at $15,000. So I bought it for 12. After fixing everything and buying all the parts, I should be done at 15, which is $3,000 in repairs. And then after that, I should be able to sell it for 20. So from 15,000 to 20,000, that's a $5,000 profit. You know, flipping a nice car, a nice fun car. D392 right there, Brembo brakes, just a smooth car. So yeah, so what I'm about to do is go get a jumper cable because I think the car needs a jump. And then after we jump it, I'm gonna let you guys hear the engine, show you guys how smooth it is. All right, so we got the jump pack, we got the key. Now I'm gonna pop the hood and then put the jumpers on, turn the car on. See, I told y'all, runs and drives good. Alhamdulillah. As y'all can see, no lights on the dash really. It's just the airbag light and the seatbelt light, which is fine. Got that. Yeah, it's clean car, clean car. Give it a little rev. Yeah, I know it looks bad right now, but look, that's the new trunk, that's the new rear bumper, and look, it's gonna look brand new when the body guy's done with it. See, sounds healthy. It runs and drives good. I already drove it on the road. Everything was good. This YouTube channel is going to teach you a lot on how to flip cars, what to look out for, how to actually make money doing it. Because a lot of people do this, but they do it completely wrong. They lose money. It's a bunch of headaches, and they just quit. You have to know what you're doing in this business. Otherwise, you're just going to quit, and you're going to lose money. And it's not going to make any sense. So you can watch this YouTube channel, and if you want more in detail and you're serious about learning, then tap in the first link in the description. All right, y'all, so I did everything that I need to do. The car's here, I checked the engine, transmission, everything is good. Coolant is good. I have almost all the parts. Now I just gotta wait for the body guy to come pick it up and let him do his thing. And after that, I'll catch you guys when the car is finished. All right, y'all, the body man is coming on the way to pick up the car. So I'm about to jump it. And once I jump it, he's gonna take it. And then the next time y'all see the car, should be ready. And right there you see $1,000. That's how much we agreed on for this car right here. He already took the parts and everything, so now he just needs to take the car, and that'd be it. All right, so we need to jump it first. Come right here. Positive goes right here. Like that. And the negative goes right here. Alright, start. See that Hellcat right there. Fires right up. Now I'm about to just pull it out because he's on the way. Pull it out back there. Yeah. Oh, man, these are nice cars. If these cars didn't get stolen so much, I'd buy one. But I can't keep this car outside my place. They're gonna steal it. But man, if they didn't steal these cars, what? I'll give me a Hellcat. And this car is just wide, so I don't know if we're gonna make it out. Let's see though. Yeah, we're not making it out. Actually, wait, hold on. Let me cook. Hold on. Ooh, we're getting close. Hold on. Hold on. Man, we're getting close, but hold on. We got it. Bismillah. Whew. There's a tight fit. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for right now. We got the car ready. We bought the car. We got all the parts. We agreed on a price with the body guy. Now all that's left with this car is to get it fixed. And when it comes back, we'll wash it, do inspection, and then post the car. And from there, it should be a done deal. It should sell, inshallah, and we should be good to go. Goes. All right, y'all. We got the car back, looking brand new, as y'all can see. Now we're about to go for a test drive. This I ordered new, so when that comes in, we'll swap that out. Carbon fiber diffuser. Yes, sir. Now we'll go for a test drive. You have the key? Yes, sir. Alright, we're going through a car wash right now. Yo. 1 hour. The boy Momo in the back. Gonna go through the car wash, and then honestly the inside's pretty clean. We're just gonna do a quick vacuum, quick wipe down, and that's it. Just pictures. Shouldn't take long at all. And yeah, and we just post the car. Oh yeah, and inspection. We gotta do that too. And that's it. All right, y'all. Oh, we ran into something. Man. What this is, bro? That's crazy. Alright, y'all, we just washed the car. See, it's looking all good. Now we're about to go take pictures. Looking fresh. Now we'll go take pictures. All right, y'all. So now we're in the cut. One more in the cut. All right, we washed the car. Now we already took the pictures, and that's it. Now all we gotta do is do the inspection, and that's it, and post the car. And that'll be it for the car, and it should be ready to go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, I've got the car parked up for today. That's it for today. Shop's closing up. Everything's closing up. Tomorrow we'll be back. We'll do the inspection, and that's that. Catch y'all tomorrow. Now, before we go to do the inspection, we need to take this tint off and the 2 windows, because otherwise it will not pass. So I'll do that real quick. Now, to remove the tint, what you want to do is take a razor like this and go in between the tint and the window. Hopefully it's not on too tight. Oh god, this one's on tight. You kind of just want to finesse your razor in there, and then eventually it'll start peeling off. Alright, that was good. We just left the inspection spot and we passed. We passed inspection. So that's it. All we gotta do for this car now is an alignment. It needs an alignment. It's a little bit off. I can feel it's a little bit off to the right. So we'll go do the alignment, and then from there we should be good to go. And the car is just gonna sit until it sells, basically. So, all right, y'all. Customer came for the car, and they said they wanted tires on it. So I'm gonna do tires on the car. As you can see, the tires are bald, which I completely missed. I don't know how I missed it, but he said he wanted that so he can buy the car. So we're gonna do the tires, and it should be good to go. Alright, y'all, as you can see, we got the check. 18.7. Alright, y'all, the car did sell. The SRT is gone. We sold it. $18,700. Not as much as I wanted, to be honest. So it wasn't that good of a flip as I wanted it to be. I thought it would sell for at least 20. The market dropped on everything, and that's just on me. I messed up on that, but it's okay. We still made a profit. I think it's about $3,000 profit on this one, which is okay. But it was a fun flip, good flip. The customer really enjoyed the car. He just left with it, going to the DMV, get that sorted. And yeah, so good flip overall. If you want to learn how to flip cars like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you have any questions or you want to get me on a call, you can book me on the first link in the description below. I do calls on there, private calls, one-on-one. If you have any questions, I can help you out. So yeah, see you then, and subscribe. Peace.